Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share how to make cold press onion hair growth oil at home. I have already shared a recipe for making onion hair oil, but it is using direct heat method. I was using only direct heat method for making onion hair growth oil, but I wanted to try cold press oil as it retains all the nutrients. And after a few tries, I got a perfect cold press onion oil. Onions are wonderful for promoting hair growth, and here in our village, we use it for treating bald spots, scalp problems, and hair fall. We usually use small onions, also called as shallots in English, for all the treatments, but you can use big onions too. This hair oil can be made within a minute, but only the soaking time takes around 3 days. Regular use of this oil will promote hair regrowth and treat almost all the scalp problems. Contrary to what many people think, making cold press onion hair growth oil is very easy. If you follow the steps that I've given in this video exactly, you will get a perfect cold press onion hair oil that will promote hair growth very effectively. To make the oil, first take one small big onion, wash well, pat dry to remove any trace of moisture, and cut into very small pieces. During my first attempt of this oil, I ground onions into a paste and added to the oil, but it was a disaster. Later, I tried it using very finely cut onions and it worked very well. Now take the onions in a glass bottle. I have tried it with both big and small onions and both work very well. So you can use either one variety. Just make sure to cut them very finely like this. Also, make sure that the onions are free of moisture before cutting. Now to the cut onions, add in enough virgin coconut oil till the onions are fully immersed into the oil. If the onions are popping out of the oil, they'll spoil very fast. So make sure to add in enough oil. Now take this bottle, close with a lid, and place it in a dark place away from sunlight for 3 days. After 3 days, the oil will be fully infused with the essence of the onions. Now take it in a strainer and let the onion oil strain out on its own without pressing. The smell of this onion oil will be very intense. To mask the smell of the onion oil, I prefer to add few drops of hair growth promoting essential oil like peppermint or rosemary. This is an optional step. You can skip it if you don't want to. Once completely strained, take it in a bottle and store it in a cool place at room temperature. This oil will retain all the beneficial quality of onions. I usually prefer to make small batches of this oil and use it off within 2 weeks. And I would suggest the same to you too. When you're storing, just make sure to store it away from sunlight. To use, take the oil and massage it all over the scalp and hair. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then shampoo and condition your hair as usual. If you have bald spots, you can apply this oil daily on the area and you'll see a visible difference very soon. I'll link the study supporting this claim in the description box below. Make small batches of this oil exactly like I've shown here and use regularly and you'll see wonderful results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.